All right, this week we're talking about point of view of a play. So we read a play in our stations on Monday and Tuesday, and then we're going to read the play A Window into History. So the point of view of a play is going to be a little different than the point of view in other stories we've read, such as Davy Crockett last week. So I wanted to go into depth about how we find the point of view of a play and for filling in that graphic organizer. So the point of view of a play refers to the way the play is being told, of course. In a play, the story is told through the dialogue of the characters. That's all we really have, right? We have a few stage directions, but in general, it is the dialogue that our characters are saying. So you're picking out details that tell you what the character thinks about the situation or event. We have several different characters in this play, so we have some different point of views. So I kind of want to go into how to set up that organizer. The first thing you want to do is take a look at the characters of the play. There's a list at the beginning on page 283 that also has these listed out. But you need to think of who are your characters. These are the people who you're getting your point of view from. So you're looking at Grandma Jay, Celia Andrews, Jacob and Caleb, Daniel Cruz, Jennifer, Nell, Vera and Miguel, Patricia, and Dr. Cedric Brown. Now, you don't need to find the point of view of all of these characters, just the ones that are openly stating kind of their thoughts on it, the main characters of the story. So kind of pick out who those main characters are to fill in your chart. Looking at our chart, this is what your organizer looks like. So I wanted to give you an example of one of these characters' point of views. So I'm going to look at page 284 of the textbook, looking at Act 1, Scene 2, and pointing out these details. So while reading this, I noticed a line that Patricia said. So Patricia says the playground is for the children of our great city. So she's saying that. So I'm taking that detail of what she says, and I'm deciding what her point of view is on the playground situation. And therefore, over on the point of view side, I'm going to write that Patricia believes the city council's plan to tear down the house and build a playground is a good idea for the community. So since she's stating that it's great for the city, I'm taking that and I'm inferring her point of view that she believes that they should build a playground and that's good for the community. If you have any more questions on this, feel free to message me, but you should fill in all of these with different characters. So I have a thought from Patricia. My next thought might be from Caleb or Jacob or one of those other characters from the story. They don't all need to be from Patricia. You're just looking at details that show different characters' perspectives. Their perspective is their point of view, so you're going to write that over here. At least fill in 4 other characters' point of views. You can use the one that I have here. Just fill that in as your first one, as your example, and then pick 4 other characters and write down their point of view. All right, thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions.